Hello, and welcome to Four Little Bears. Today for you, I'm going to make a cute little frog wobbler card. I used this as a birthday present, and this is the first time I've ever used these cute little wobblers. I got them from, I believe, Amazon, but they come in a very huge package. So basically what I did was I found this cute little frog on a pond, or a frog and a pond separately on Creative Fabrica, which I'll link down below. And I went ahead and I just put those into a photo editing software. I added the sentiment, "It's your birthday, make a splash." And I'm making this a 6x6 card, so my mat on this is 5 3/4 by 5 3/4 on the main background. And really the hardest part of this is cutting out the little frog. And then I ended up superimposing the frog image on top of the pond down below so that when I cut him out, I'm hoping that it'll look better than having a white edge to it, because I'm just going to hand cut him out. And I want some of the splashes to come out, but I don't want it to look weird with a white edging. Maybe, I'm not sure. We'll see how it ends up in the end. I'm going to start out by using some Collal glue on this because I think maybe it'll be stronger. In the end, it doesn't stick very well, and I end up going back to art glitter glue. That seems to work just fine. Art glitter glue, I found, kind of just works for everything. But anyway, yeah, this was a really quick card. I hope you enjoyed it. Here's a close-up of that wobbler and how it works. Again, I believe I bought these on Amazon and they come in this really huge pack of a lot of them, so I'll probably be making a lot more of these. If you want to stick around, I'll go ahead and make the envelopes for both this card and the card I made for Craft Roulette. My Craft Roulette card is a little bigger. It's about 6.5 by 5. Not 6.5 by 5, sorry, 6.5 by 5 3/4, so almost 6. So I'm going to use the envelope size for 6.5 by 6. And on the card I made that is the wobbler, it's right at 6 by 6, so I'll use the envelope guide for a 6 by 6. So normally these envelopes should face landscape. However, because I want my little bookmark to not fall out when people take it in and out of the envelope, I'm going to reverse that and make it face long ways up. Now that means that I'm going to have a little weird piece where these edges don't really meet very well, so I'm just going to put a little donut on there and pretend like it never happened. Especially since I'm going to hand deliver these, I'm not going to actually glue these down at all, so that little donut will stay nice and cute. Also on the wobbler card, I'm going to face him backwards just to kind of make sure that it doesn't get pulled on too much. It's really strong, but I just want to make sure that it doesn't get caught when you try to take it in and out of the envelope. I will put links down below for Creative Fabrica. I really am really enjoying being able to find all these little ephemera pieces and just downloading what I want at the time I want. And not having to store a bunch of dies and things. I hope you've enjoyed. If you've watched this long, thank you so much. Leave a like, share, follow, subscribe, click the notification bell. That way you know when things are coming out if you like it. Every little bit counts. Thank you guys so much for watching. Until next time, stay blessed and have a wonderful week.